Welcome to Rose's Kitchen. Rose has invited me into her kitchen, into a new home. It's so lovely to see you today, Rose.
Likewise, thank you.
And have you as a friend.
Thank you, likewise.
Rose is from rosefarfalla.com and I'm from Camela's Cucina and Sorrento Trattoria. We have three things in common and we have such a great relationship and we're really good friends. We're both professional people, but the three things that we have in common is that we're Sicilian, we love food and we love family. We have a lot of knowledge, talents and skills that we want to share with you today. And today is about arancine. And we're going to discuss just the simple ingredients with Rose and we're going to talk about how to make the arancine. For your cheese, mozzarella, cook up your rice. I would suggest that you use arborio rice. It just makes it, it's a bit more clingier when you've got to, round it. And Rose is telling me about the kids, just not knowing what to put in them because kids are really fussy. But we can do so much. These ones have got peas and pumpkin in it, but you wouldn't even know that they had peas and pumpkin because we mashed the pumpkin up. You can open it up and you can see, and I put saffron in that just to give it a yellow flavour, a yellow look. But you can put even broccoli in them and your kids won't even know.
Oh, hide some nutrition in there. That's a great idea.
Yeah, and when my kids were little, I would sometimes put bran or oats in it and they wouldn't even know because it gave them fibre. But that's the fun about cooking, Rose.
You can hide all those sneaky ingredients that we can't get them to eat.
Yeah.
That sounds good. I know my kids would benefit from some of that.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much. So what other fillings could we do?
Well, with the broccoli, you can mash it up and put it in a puree and you can make green arancine. The pumpkin, you can do the same, mash it up and you make the orangey colour. And colour creates and opens up your senses and makes you want to eat. Children don't have that yet. And that's something that you acquire with time. When you palate, when you're little, you only eat a certain thing, and then as you grow, you start to acquire different tastes.
Do we need to bake them, fry them? What do you do?
You deep fry. You can shallow fry and toss them and turn them, or you can just bake them if you decide you want to bake and you don't want to use the oil.
Fantastic. Can we find this recipe anywhere?
You can use it. I find it in my cookbook. Or on my website.
Camela, cooking brings my family together. Can we do this again?
Of course.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Can't wait.